Yeah, good afternoon once again. Yeah, welcome again. Uh, we are going to start with uh, interesting topics, questions, topics that do come out frequently in JAM for biology. Questions that frequently come out in JAM for biology. That's where we are diving in today. Yeah, we are going to thank you for the likes and the comments and your love towards the last video I created. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Please help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll paste the link in the first comment. So that will be my uh, video link on YouTube. So thank you very much for your support and your love. Thank you so much. Now let's dive into the realms of frequently questions that do come out in JAM for biology. The first topic that is very important, that you can't escape it, is unescapable, is inevitable for you in JAM, is genetics. The first one is genetics. We are going to be the cross traits, all the likes, or all the stuffs. So the genetics. The second one is evolution. Evolution is the second one. So evolution, we have morphological. Evolution, where human being evolved from. So uh the all the evidences for evolution and all the likes. So the third one is adaptation for survival. Adaptation for survival. They can ask you, where do um some insects take the color of the leaf, or where did they take the shape of the leaf? So it's an adaptation for survival. So if you read all the topics, adaptation for survival, you are going to get all the answers, all the possible questions that JAMB might ask you about uh um, adaptation for survival. The next one on my list that is also very important is variation. Variation is also very important when you are dealing with JAMB in biology. Variation is very important. We are going to be talking about the likes of morphological variation and others. So all these examples of morphological variation and the physical variations. So the next one is reproductive behavior. Reproductive behavior, we have territorialism, uh, pairing, display method, all those methods of uh, reproductive behaviors. So they also do come out in JAMB frequently. Please, I'm not saying that you should not read all the topics. You are going to read all the topics necessary. The one that I want you to take note, that I want you to take it very important when you are reading. So those are the one I am enlisting for you. The third one here is reproductive system. The sixth one is reproductive system. The reproductive system. So you are going to study the reproductive system very well. So we are going to have a lot of questions under the topic reproductive system. The next one is sense organs. Sense organs, the nerves, all these things, the eye, the ear, in broad. So the eye, the ear, the skin, the epidermis, dermis, and the likes. They are going to ask a lot of questions about that one too. So the next one on my list, the eighth one, is nervous coordination. Nervous coordination. So you are going to study nervous coordination very well. Also, nervous coordination is also going to come out in your JAMB. So take note of that topic very well. The next one is hormone, both plant and animal hormone. So the hormone, the functions and where they are located is they are going to ask about it. That's 100% sure they are going to ask about it. Even if it's going to be one question or two, so they are going to ask about the hormones, both plant and animal, maybe their functions, the where are they located in the body. So they are going to ask you. The 10th one is regulation of internal environment. You know homeostasis, right? That's homeostasis, regulation of internal body environment of an organism. So that's homeostasis. They're going to ask you about that also, where and the organs that do regulate the internal body environment, like liver, kidney, and the like. So you're going to study that one also. Please study them very well. They are going to come out. I am sure, I am 100% sure, I assure you that you are going to find some of that question there. The next one is excretory system. Excretory system, you're going to find that one also. The excretory system, you're going to find it in your question, that topic, excretory system. The next one is respiratory system. Respiratory system, respiratory system, the respiratory system of man, respiratory system of insects, the respiratory system of fishes, the respiratory system of amphibians, and the like. So they are also going to come out. The respiratory organ also for each animal, for each for each adapters I don't know how to say it, sorry. For each animals, for terrestrial animals, for arboreal animals, and for aquatic animals, the respiratory organ for each of them. So the transport system, you know, all the systems that we have in the body, all of them, they are going to ask about is the transport system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, and the digestive system, tissue and supporting system also. They are going to ask about that. So next one is the cell and its environment. All the cells, gbogbo nǹkan tó ń pè ní cells fúnra tá a bá lè rí nínú textbook biology yín, ẹ lọ kà, everything ló máa jáde. The cells and the likes, the whole cells, they are going to come out clear and clean in your jamb. So the whole ecology, anywhere you can find ecology in your textbook, please read it and understand it. Ecology, read it and understand it. Read it and understand it. Please, I'm begging you now. Ecology is a topic that is very strict. There are many, they are broad. The topic is very broad, so you must read it and understand, because they are going to ask a lot of questions about ecology. They are going to ask a lot of questions, so you have to read and understand it very well. Now the next one is microorganisms in action. Microorganisms in action are the parasites, or the microorganisms that we have, the what do you call it, the viruses, the bacteria, the forms of bacteria that we have cocci. Under the cocci we have streptococci, staphylococci, diplococci, and tripods. So we have all those things. We have bacillus also, we have bacilli. So they are all the organisms, all the microorganisms in action. They can ask about it. I don't say they are going to ask about it. I don't say that it is 100%, but they might ask about it. The next one is ecological management and conservation. Ecological management, there we have the symbiosis, commensalism, parasitism, predation, and all the likes of association that we have. So they are under ecological management and conservation. The next one here is functioning ecosystem. Functioning ecosystem, yes, you are going to find question on that also. The next one is nutrition in animal nutrition. You are going to find question about that. And the vitamins, that lead us to minerals and vitamins in the body that the body needs. So minerals, vitamins, we have nutrients also. You have macronutrient and micronutrient. So you have to study that one also. Study it very well. They might ask question about it. So read that one very well also. And the next one, and the last but not the least, is photosynthesis. They are going to ask a lot of questions about photosynthesis, so please take note. Photosynthesis is also important. I have said this before. It's not that all the topics I have listed here, those are the only one that they are going to ask. They might not be the only one. They might ask, and they might even ask advanced questions. They might add advanced questions to it, like applied question that you might not find in the textbook, that you have to think before you can get the answer correctly. So I am imploring you now to read all aspects of your textbook, but the one I listed for you, you are going to take it very very important. Please take it very very important. You will find it. The one I say you might, so you should also take that one also important, but it's not that very very important. If even if they ask question about it, I know you can just get the answer correctly. So you can just think and get the answer correctly. So the one I say you must find it there. Please study it very well. It is very very important that you study it very well. So God bless you. You shall have a wonderful exam. Also, have you reprinted? Everything is ready for reprint slip is ready now. Have you reprinted? If you have, where did they post it to? Where did they post it to? Don't let anybody hear. I don't want anybody to hear. Where did they post it to? Please put it in the comment section if you have reprinted, and put the place they posted you to. So add it so that you can find someone that is also going to the same place where you are going. So if you find someone that is going to the same place where you are going, please DM yourself, and maybe you are given the same dates or what you like, so, and get everything ready. Maybe you can go together. So, but I have said this in the first video I made about jambites, the most important video that all jambites should watch, all 2024 jambites. Please don't be afraid. Don't put yourself under tension. It's not that hard. Jamb is the most that jamb is the that jamb is very easy in the other in both hands. Jamb is very easy. It is easy to pass and it is easy to fail. If you read very well, you are going to pass gallantly, honorably. But if you are guessing, if you say you can guess, you are good at guesses, let me tell you, jamb will shock you. Jamb will shock you. Yeah, so you have to read very well and study hard, and best of luck. Please follow, like and subscribe. Please, I'm begging you. Please, it is a plea. Thank you very much.